Wanna know how to block someone on TikTok on your iPhone or Android? It's super simple, let me show you how. First, you have to open up your TikTok and search for profile you want to block by tapping the search bar. Or go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile, find the account from your follower or following list. Open the account. Now tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. And from the list, you see the block option. Now tap the block option and confirm by tapping block again. You have successfully blocked the profile and they won't be able to interact with you anymore. On your Android, the process is exactly same. And that's it. Now you know how to block someone on TikTok quickly and easily. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.